513 West Via de Pedro Miguel. I'd like to give you a little tour, so let's go take a look. This is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom home, 4,178 square feet with a giant loft, separate dining, and also a den. So here we are in the kitchen. It's a chef's kitchen for sure. You've got a big giant island, 5 by 10 foot granite slab. Thermador appliances, which are great. It's got a gas range, speed oven, microwave combo, and then another oven. Also, lots and lots of lighting updates throughout this home. Control force system, automation on all the downstairs lights. All the TVs are going to convey because they are all looped into the automation system. Let's go outside and take a look. You've got everything you want in this backyard. The pool is 6.5 feet deep, a nice giant spa to relax in on those cold winter nights, a gas fireplace to cozy up to, and even an outdoor kitchen for all your cooking needs. Let's talk about the area. The neighborhood of Trano is nestled in the Soran Foothills. So you've got some great hiking just a few steps from your door. You've got tennis, basketball, volleyball, tot lots, swimming pools, and then on the other side of the subdivision is a great K-8 school, shopping, and then if you need to get to work, TSMC is right there. Thanks so much for checking out this house. Give me a call if you'd like to see it in person.